what are financials, name, and value labels on TradingView? Now, notice in the price scale we have here labeled the SMA moving average and its value. Even below fundamental indicator, we see P ratio, value 29.8, price to sales ratio 18.75. How do I enable those? How do I get to see those on my price scale? Right click on the price scale, go to labels, checking indicators and financial name labels and indicators and financials value labels. Now, if we uncheck those, you see they both disappear. Maybe I just want the name of the indicator. Indicators and financials name labels. No values, just what it is. Price to sales, price to earnings, and the SMA moving average. Maybe I just want their value. I uncheck the name. I just get the value. Now you can configure this setting as you like and according to your preferences. Now this is how we can add indicators and financials, name and value labels on TradingView. Have a great day, guys.